Question. What are you doing right now?
Are you watching this lesson? Are you sitting at home? Are you learning English?
In the last episode, we learned the structure.
Today, we practice speaking. Stay with us because in the middle of this lesson, we'll give you a quick challenge that prepares you for the next step.
Welcome back to Everyday English Channel.
This is episode 5 of our Foundation Tense course.
Today is all about speaking with confidence.
Get ready to repeat after us. Speak out loud, not in your head.
The more you speak, the faster you improve. First, let's practice describing actions. Repeat after me. I am watching this video.
I am learning English.
She is studying right now.
He is working at the moment.
They are talking.
We are practicing together.
Good. Now answer this question. What are you doing right now? Pause the video and say your answer out loud. Do not skip this part. Speaking builds confidence.
Now let's practice asking questions. Move to be to the front. Repeat after me. Are you watching TV?
Are you studying English?
Is she sleeping?
Is he working?
Are they playing outside?
Good. Now answer this question honestly. Are you improving your English? Say, yes, I am.
Say it louder.
Yes, I am.
Again.
Yes, I am.
Good job.
Here's a quick challenge. Which sentence is correct for right now? A, she works now. B, she is working now.
The correct answer is B. She is working now.
Why? Because we use the present continuous for actions happening at this moment.
She works is simple present. We use it for habits or repeated actions.
Many beginners mix these two tenses.
Don't worry. In episode 6, we will show you exactly how to tell the difference between them. Stay with the course.
Let's do a short conversation. Imagine we are on the phone. Listen first.
Hi, Michelle. What are you doing?
I am recording a lesson. What about you?
I am helping our students practice English.
Now repeat the conversation with Mark. You are Michelle. Answer his question.
Hi, Michelle. What are you doing? I am helping our students practice English.
Good job. Speaking practice makes a big difference. Now your turn. Look at the comments section below.
Write one sentence about what you are doing right now. For example, I am drinking coffee. I am studying English. I am watching this lesson.
And reply to one other comment in English.
We will read your sentences and help you improve.
Remember, confidence grows when you speak.
Speak a little today,
Speak a little tomorrow.
and you'll see the difference.
See you in episode 6, Simple Present versus Present Continuous.